And then we have to sort the item into the inventory. And not the item data. And but do we need to sort it into the inventory, or do we need to I think we need to do something else here. So yeah, we can't sort it in here because it will just be added there. So we need to split it into the inventory. So we need to change that. We need to do something completely different here. Thank you, Chuck, for your follow. Okay. So that's okay, but in here we need to call something else. We need to sort. Basically, we need to add it to our inventory here. So try dot add. And we don't care about anything else because we want to add it there because we already initialized it, create an instance, and that we've already done, so we just can add it to it. And we don't want to have it sorted in there, so we're just adding it. Okay, let's try this. Right click, drag here, and we get a clone there, which is not the right way to go. And if we go here, we only have one item there, and here as well. So none of this worked. Damn it. Let's go in here and double check if we really call this in the right spot. Okay, right button, not quick bar, so here, and empty. Okay. No, it says C# and Unity. Okay. I think we are just doing it wrong here. Because we only change this when the slot is not empty, so that's wrong there. So we need to do this here as well. Because when the slot is empty, we want to move it in there. Let's double check this, go to definition, and find our references to that. And go to that definition, and yeah, that's the one we just worked on. And we didn't do anything for the normal. We didn't. We did do it in the wrong place. Basically it's we can just change this. Yeah, it was in the wrong place, or we didn't add the right. So we need to copy most of this, and we need to copy this. And we need to get need to change this here slightly, so it's not quick bar. In that scenario, we remove item from inventory. No, not really. Yeah, in that case we do nothing. So let's change this. And only if we can split it do we do something. And here we take the amount, no, not amount, the item data amount, and decrease it, and we add a new item. Okay. have a look what it does for us now. Right click, move here, and it worked. At least in the data it worked. It didn't work for the UI. And because I will change it in a second. I just copied it over and I will change that in a second to be a call to a function or method. But at the moment I just wanted to test if it works. No, they can't. By default, the quick slot for inventory items is -1. I set it to -1 in the previous quick slot and slot index are both -1 if I create a new item. And if I move it into the quick slot, then I change it to the appropriate index. Is quick bar, and here I change it to the quick bar index. And I also change it to be... but like I said, I need to take these, because they are completely the same, and create a method. Create split item. And then I can remove it from here and move it down here, because it's needed in both cases. And you're right there, yeah. So I can move this here, and this way I don't have duplicated code here, because I do the same thing in both cases. Yeah, you're right, thank you. Yeah. So let's save this. But it didn't change anything for our